Now check now domain is activated, so automatically also email come from the Cloudflare. So domain is activated. So now go to here, the domain dashboard, and check. Great news, your domain is protected by Cloudflare. So completely done. So let's full video how I have added this domain to Cloudflare. How to add new domain to Cloudflare. So this is our domain. This is our Cloudflare. So our Cloudflare, we will add new domain .bd. This is our new domain. So we will add it here. So add connect domain, put it here. PD. So there is no record, it will come. So continue the activation. Add record letter. So we need to change the DNS. So now domain works fine. So just go to domain file and changing the domain name server. So this is our domain panel. So here we are putting the new name server. So this is our name server 1, and another name server is this. So I am also putting the another name server. So just submit it. So now done. So go to the here, and I am checking it will work fine. So here you need to add the domain name server, like create it, a root and IP address put here. So IP address is my this. I am making it auto. So first click. So another www and putting it here. So both is done. So now domain is working fine. So save it. So I am adding this domain to my server. So this is my server in the first panel. So creating the next. So you create user new, database new, database no need to create, backend 8.3 enough, and now done. So create a step. So almost done. So come here and check it, is this work fine or not. Now need to wait 1-2 hours to it will update it. So I will end for you.